If Evernote is showing an error during transcription, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your audio or voice notes transcribed again without wasting time. Whether you're on desktop or using the web version, these troubleshooting tips will help you narrow down the cause and get Evernote working properly again. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, start with your internet connection. Transcription needs a stable connection to send and process your recording, so if your internet is weak, Evernote may fail before the transcription even begins. Check that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if possible, test another website or app to confirm your connection is working. If you're on a desktop, a quick refresh can often help too. Press Ctrl+R to reload the page, then try uploading or transcribing the recording again. If the issue was temporary network instability, this alone may fix it. Next, check the audio recording itself. Sometimes the problem is not Evernote, but the file you're trying to transcribe. Make sure the recording has fully finished uploading before you try again. If the file is still processing, transcription can fail or get stuck. Also listen to the recording if you can, and confirm the audio is clear and not damaged or corrupted. If the recording is too noisy, incomplete, or has no sound at all, Evernote may not be able to process it correctly. A great test is to create a short new voice note, then try transcribing that fresh recording. If the new file works, then the issue is likely with the original recording rather than your account. You should also verify the file format and file size. Evernote works best when the audio or video is in a supported format, such as MP3 or WAV, and unsupported or corrupted files can cause transcription errors. If your file was exported from another app, double check that it's saved correctly. Large files can also run into processing limits, so if your recording is very long or unusually large, try trimming it down or testing with a smaller file. A smaller, clean audio file is much easier for the transcription system to handle. If the error continues, the next fix is to sign out and sign back in to Evernote. This can refresh your account session and clear temporary glitches that may be affecting transcription. Click your profile icon, select Sign Out, then log back into your Evernote account. Once you're signed back in, try the transcription again. In many cases, a simple re-authentication can resolve strange app behavior, especially if Evernote has been running for a long time without a fresh login. Another useful step is to switch to the web version of Evernote. If the desktop application is failing, the browser version may work normally. Open Evernote Web in your browser, sign in, and try the transcription tool there. Sometimes the issue is specific to the app installation, local cache, or a desktop bug, while the web version runs without any trouble. This is a really effective workaround if you need your transcription done quickly. If you've tried all of these steps and Evernote is still giving you an error, take a moment to retry with a different recording, a different browser, or after waiting a few minutes. Temporary service issues can also cause transcription problems, and the best solution is often just trying again later. The key is to move through the fixes in order: internet, audio file, sign out and back in, and then web version. So to recap, if you get an Evernote transcription error, first check your internet connection, then make sure the recording is complete, clear, supported, and not too large. After that, sign out and sign back in, and finally try the web version if the desktop app is still failing. Following these steps should solve most transcription issues quickly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Evernote fixes and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.